Cardiff is a great location for our business because it's a city that's growing, it has a capital region that's growing, and we need infrastructure to deliver the growth and the anticipated growth of the city and the region. We play a big part in the heart of the delivery infrastructure, and we do large and small projects, new and regeneration. So for example, we're currently working with Cardiff University delivering £125 million Research Cardiff Innovation Centre, which is linked to semiconductor. And as people will be aware, Wales is leading the globe on semiconductor innovation and development, and we're proud to play a part in the delivery of this magnificent project. The other side of the spectrum, we're working with Cardiff City Council in the regeneration of Melva and other residential areas to make sure that the citizens of Cardiff have got modern residents to live in and to prosper and to flourish. The workforce in Cardiff and the capital region is of the highest quality when we look across the UK and where we recruit from. What we find is that there's a tremendous ethic to the people, behaviours, culture, and the standard of education and qualifications here through the universities, the colleges and the schools make sure then that there's a lot of pride in the local area. So they want to stay here, they want to contribute and deliver a modern city and a modern region fit for the future. I personally have enjoyed working in Cardiff and the capital region for over 30 years. And what I really like about it is that we break down barriers between public and private sector. What you find in the Cardiff capital region is the public sector and private sector leaders want to collaborate, want to connect, want to integrate and think long term about the social economic advantages we can do together. That collaboration is something you don't see in many other parts of the UK. There's a very proactive attitude to the public sector here in Cardiff and the capital region, and they want industry and they want investment and they want to grow the region and make it a prosperous area. And that, for me, makes me proud to work with people that want the best for the region. I really like living in this region because what it has a uniqueness of is that it's got a vibrant city, but whereas in other cities that I work, I could be travelling 1 hour and I'll still be in a densely populated area. Here in the region, what we have is within half an hour I could be on the seaside, and with half an hour going in the opposite direction I could be in the forest and the hills and the valleys. So the landscape that we have here makes sure that we have a work-life balance. That means that families can make sure that they work hard during the day to have tremendous family activities and a variety and diversity of locations. And it just got the feel-good factor and it makes you want to be here and work here. The region's got so much to offer to any potential inward investors and the citizens that we've got.